Welcome to the course Learn a Full Stack Application with Azure SQL and Prisma. My name is Glaucia Lemos and I am a Cloud Advocate at Microsoft. In this module, we will develop the application on the backend side using Azure Functions, Prisma, and Azure SQL. And then we will be deploying this application using Azure Static Web Apps with GitHub Actions. But first, let's see the application that we will develop during this module. This will be the application that we will develop. The front-end side is already done, so that we can only focus on development of the back-end side. It is a CRUD application, but in the behind the scenes, we are using technologies such as Azure Functions, Prisma, and Azure SQL. Let me show you how does this application work. So here is the Create a New Employee page. So let me include here new employee. So in this case, let me include here Alex Rohani, job role as Cloud Advocate, actually Developer Advocate, Prisma. The salary, let me include in here 3,000 and some employee registration. 664433. On the front end side, this employee registration field is a unique field. So we are going to learn how we can reflect this field as a unique field in the database using the Prisma with Azure SQL. So let me add this new employee here. So here is a list all employees page. We can see here all the employees that are already registered before. So we can see here the Alex Rohani. So here we can even updating this employee, we can delete it. For example, we can delete this or cancel or even delete it. For example, let's see that we want to update my mother salary, for example. Let me click in this edit button here. Again, as you can see, this employee registration field is a unique field. So let me change here the salary for 4,000. Let me update here. And it's working. As you can see, everyone here will learn to develop this application. So now that we know the application, let's start developing. So see you in the next video.